closer. There's some little crabbies eating us. Dead fish. Oh, here comes another one. Is that another one? There's a bunch of little like fish eating them too. There's a bunch of little crabs. Wish I could get closer. It's pretty through here though. Let's see if we can get the Staten Island Ferry. We got the new Staten Island Ferry over here that they, I think they built it in Panama City or something. And now they've got it down here in Port St. Joe, I guess, finishing it up. I'm not sure. But it says really big on the side. Staten Island Ferry. It's not a swan. A swan. That's a pelican. What? Say that. Ooh. Look at that. Look at its head there. It's a fish, baby. It's a pelican. Oh God. Okay, let's go. Maybe. Okay, let's back up. Stop waiting. Don't do that. But yeah, the Staten Island Ferry. It's like the new one. I guess it was like on the news or something. Anyway, it's pretty through here. Where people put boats in. This little thing got destroyed from the hurricane. It used to be a lot bigger and nicer, but okay, let's go look for hermit crabs. It's pretty outside today. It's really nice. Okay, bye.